Welcome to this lesson, guys. Today we're gonna draw this simple and very interesting camp scene. We're gonna use only one brush and two colors this time. So let's get started. To begin with this lesson, let's first select our typical 6B pencil. So select it and make it to 100% size. We'll again use the color black. Let's begin with the typical straight line. There we go. And the next step is to draw two trees. One here and one here. The first one. And leave some space here for the hammock. It will take this space here. So the other tree will be the same on this side. Straight line. And finish it. Now let's draw a hammock. From here, a curvy line. Just connect the trees. There we go. And one more shape like this. Zoom in if you want. Now start from this position, leave some space. One bump. And finish it here. Leave some space also. This will be for the hammock. Now it's time for the fireplace. It's very crucial for this scene. Here, draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be for the woods. And now the typical fire. Leave some space here and start from this position. See, don't press too much. This will be for the fire and it's completely enough. Now the smoke. And when you draw this simple shape, start from here, follow the curve and continue like this. Alright, and let's continue with our drawing. Draw another tree, this time here. There you go. And the last one will be to finish the tent. I will have to make this baseline longer, and the first thing is to draw a simple triangle here, like this one. Now continue the shape. I will again make this line longer and do the same stroke like this one to finish the shape. Now to make it more interesting, I will draw these lines longer. See? And from here a straight line. Now this here also. And this will be for the tent. Now to add some more depth and atmosphere, let's draw a couple of more trees, but this time less visible. Go to the colors and pick some barely visible gray color, like this one. See? Choose some gray color that you like, and let's draw a couple of more trees. One will be here, and stop. Leave some space here. There we go. You can even make it even less visible. So continue with the trees. Stop here again, leave some space. And the last one will be here. Select again the black color, choose the pencil, and here you can add some dots if you want to create a night scene. This way will be more interesting. Add some dots here and there, and we're ready with this simple illustration. You can again select the arrow and place it in the center. Zoom in a little bit, and this will be our final illustration of this simple camp scene.